So where does artisticness come in? Slate only comes in one color, slate gray. So chances are you'll want to be able to have different color options, right? Their solution here is simple. Wrap your own car. Through Slate, you'll be able to order pre-cut vinyl that will match perfectly to each panel on the car, making the process cost-effective and much easier for you to do on your own. Plus, doing it this way, there are endless options for colors and custom designs that you can do, anywhere from retro stripe style to a fully custom kit to promote your own business. The starting price for a full wrap kit is $500, but I assume it'll go up with more custom designs that you can create.